Hello friends, welcome to Continental Desi Kitchen. In today's video, we are going to see a very delicious Shahi chicken curry recipe, which is Mughlai chicken. And friends, you can prepare this delicious chicken recipe for your family and friends during this Eid or any other special occasions to come. So friends, let's begin with this yummy chicken recipe. To make Mughlai chicken, I have taken here 1 kg of chicken with bones, and now we need to marinate this by adding a bowl of thick yogurt, say around 3 tablespoons. Then goes 1.5 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Next goes 1.5 teaspoon of salt or as per your taste. Half teaspoon of turmeric powder. 1 teaspoon of roasted cumin or Zeera powder, 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder or as per your spice level, half teaspoon of coriander or Dhaniya powder, and the juice of half a lemon. Now mix everything well. So that the marination coats well over the chicken pieces. And we will let this rest overnight for best results, or for at least 2 to 3 hours. In the meantime, we are going to prepare a creamy paste. For that, I have taken here 2 tablespoons of desiccated coconut, 15 pieces of cashews, 9 to 10 almonds, and now we need to grind this to a smooth paste. Transfer this to a grinder. Add a splash of water. You can also add milk instead of water, and now we will grind this to a smooth paste. So as you can see here, our creamy and nutty paste is ready. Next, you will also need plenty of fried onions. I have taken here 3 big onions which I had thinly sliced and then fried them deep golden brown. Now transfer the fried onions into a grinder. I'll keep few for garnishing. Now add a splash of water and we will grind this to a smooth paste. And our fried onion paste is also ready. Next, take a small bowl of hot milk into which I will add few saffron strands. Mix this once. Then you will also need some whole spices like 2 bay leaf, 2 big cinnamon sticks, 1 black cardamom or Badi Elaichi, 3 green cardamoms, 3 to 4 cloves, and 1 star anise. And now we shall start with the cooking process. For that, heat a large karhai or pot into which I will add 2 tablespoons of Desi ghee or clarified butter. Spread the ghee on all the sides of the pot or karhai, and when the ghee is hot, we will add the whole spices. Stir them for a few seconds. And now we will add the chicken which has been marinated for more than 3 hours, and we need to saute the chicken on high flame for at least 5 minutes. I have been frying the chicken for about 5 minutes, and now time to add the fried onion paste. And again we will fry the chicken well along with the fried onion paste for another 2 to 3 minutes. By now the chicken has been fried well, and here goes the creamy nutty paste which we had prepared earlier. I will rinse off the bowl with little bit of water, and now we need to mix this really well along with the chicken. Keep on stirring and mixing until the paste is well combined. And now we will cover and let the chicken cook on low to medium flame for about 10 to 15 minutes. So it's almost 15 minutes by now. Let's check the chicken. You can see the gravy is very thick and rich with all the amazing ingredients. And now goes the saffron milk into it. Mix this well. I won't be adding any other spices now, as I have added all these spices while marinating the chicken. Only the garam masala I'll be adding at the end. And now again we will cover and let the chicken cook for another 4 to 5 minutes. After about 4 to 5 minutes, remove the lid and stir the chicken once. The chicken is also cooked properly by now. I will check for the salt proportion. Little bit of salt is required here. So adding 1/4 teaspoon of salt now. And half teaspoon of garam masala powder. Now mix this well again. And before turning off the flame, I will add 2 whole red chillies, some chopped coriander leaves, and 2 tablespoons of fresh cream. And give this a final mix. And our Mughlai chicken is now ready to be served hot into the serving bowl. And friends, here goes our rich and creamy Mughlai chicken into the serving bowl. You can enjoy this delicious chicken gravy recipe with naan, tandoori roti, or even with jeera rice and pulao. I will garnish the chicken gravy with some fried onions, which I had kept separately. 1 slice of egg and few fried almonds and cashews on top. And our Mughlai chicken is now ready to be enjoyed. So friends, I hope you will try this delicious chicken recipe very soon. Also do share your feedbacks, and if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so for more interesting and yummy recipes in future. See you soon in my next video. Until then, bye bye, take care and stay safe.